Kitchen is one of the most important parts of a house. From morning breakfast till dinner at night, the kitchen is used all day long. Kitchen is constructed in all residential structures. It is also present in many commercial offices and establishments nowadays. A kitchen is usually equipped with a stove, a sink, utensils, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, facility for hot or cold water, etc. Kitchen is designed in such a way that all of the above listed equipment can easily fit into it. Types of kitchen. As we know, there are different types of kitchens or kitchen layouts constructed for different purposes. Kitchens are categorized by the arrangement of the kitchen cabinets, sink, stove, and refrigerator. Different types of kitchen layouts are as follows: straight line kitchen or one line kitchen, galley kitchen or parallel kitchen, L-shaped kitchen, U-shaped kitchen, island kitchen, peninsula kitchen, straight line kitchen. This type of kitchen is also known as one-wall kitchen or one-line kitchen. A straight line kitchen consists of a single platform. On that platform, a stove and a sink are usually present. If the size of the platform is large enough, it may also give room to one or two appliances like a mixture, grinder, juicer, microwave, etc. This type of kitchen is also known as one-wall kitchen or one-line kitchen. The layout of a straight-line kitchen is usually simple and sober. It is space efficient without giving up on functionality. There are cabinets installed under the platform to store kitchen accessories and utensils. In some cases, if more storage space is required, then the cabinets are also made above the platform at an average height of 5 feet to 6 feet from the finished floor level. The straight-line kitchens are generally found in relatively smaller families, consisting of 2 to 5 people on average, are to be served. Though, galley kitchen. Galley kitchen is a layout consisting of a set of platforms and cabinets arranged parallel to each other. This type of kitchen is also known as parallel kitchen. Parallel kitchens are usually built where there is ample space. If space is not a concern, the galley kitchen can turn out to be extremely useful in a productive layout indeed. Galley kitchens have multiple work zones. It provides a working space for more than one person to work, as multiple tasks can be done by more than one person at a time. The galley kitchen is ideal for a small to a medium-sized family consisting of 5 to 10 people on average. Theme: L-shaped kitchen. L-shaped kitchen consists of platforms and cabinets arranged in L shape. The L-shaped layout of kitchen is the most common type of layout found in Indian homes. Like galley kitchen, the L-shaped kitchen also provides an ample amount of space for more than one person to work at a time. Unlike the galley kitchen, the second part of the platform is adjacent to the first one. So the things you need are right in front of you and you need not move here and there in the kitchen. 4. U-shaped kitchen. A U-shaped kitchen is an arrangement of kitchen cabinets along 3 sides of the wall, leaving the fourth one for the entrance door. This layout utilizes most of the space in the kitchen for cooking and storage purposes. The main advantage of U-shaped kitchen is that it provides ample workspace so it doesn't let anyone disrupt your workflow. U-shaped kitchens are ideal for medium to large facilities usually consisting of more than 10 members. These types of kitchen are gaining popularity rapidly worldwide. 5. Island kitchen. This type of layout consists of a platform at the center of the kitchen room, surrounded by other arrangements for kitchen appliances and cooking along the walls of the kitchen. The platform located at the center is referred to as an island, surrounded by water on all 4 sides. Similarly, the center platform is isolated in the center of the room. It is used for various purposes like cooking, storage, as a simple platform, or even used as a table sometimes. Island layout is recommended for larger families and it is adopted where the dedicated space for kitchen is larger. Chair. Peninsula kitchen. This particular layout of kitchen consists of an additional counter attached to the wall, despite having the primary platform for basic functions of kitchen. This counter is mostly used as a breakfast counter or a dinner table for usually 2 to 4 persons. It serves the purpose of a multi-purpose table counter sometimes. Also, stools or chairs can be arranged near the breakfast counter. Although this type of arrangement may not be a primary requirement, it is widely used in houses where the available kitchen space is more.